shoes are flat. Why is she so rude? Wipe your tears, it's no big thing. You were meant to wear his ring. Cheer up, chin up, it's time to bring a happy attitude. Keep it positive. Slap her to the floor. Keep it positive. As you pull her hair and call her whore, you can take her in a fight. You and she will be nice. You know we're right. We're positive. Girls, violence is never wise.